Okay, Glacial Erratic. This would be basically a big old random rock. And you can see these in this area for sure. I don't have any pictures. I'll pull over if I see one once the snow melts. Um, but if you have a big old field and for some reason there's this giant boulder in the middle of it, like bigger than a car, it probably is a glacial erratic. Occasionally, people will buy big rocks for like landscaping purposes, but we're talking big here. Um, and one of the key things is going to be that it does not necessarily match the local bedrock. This rock and this rock are different. This is one of the key things that's led to the discovery of all these glaciations is where do these big old random rocks come from? And again, you'll read about that when you do the reading part of this assignment. Um, had to come from somewhere, and there were some crazy theories. This one I never heard of until I read that chapter about somebody thought they backfilled in some kind of steam cave and then went like blasting out. That's no. So if you see for any reason, again, big old random rock, glacial erratic, it's always kind of a hoot. Just weird random rock that does not match the surrounding bedrock. And that's why the Regents likes to do this. The Regents, like one of the questions that's kind of famously asked a lot, where's my reference table, is if you find a piece of, and then I'll make you do one of these, middle Proterozoic gneisses and quartzites in the Allegheny Plateau, and then your brain's got to say, oh, Mr. F taught me that the Allegheny Plateau, I look here, and I see that that's Devonian limestone, sandstones, and shales. Well, that doesn't match. So how would a piece of that get there? And the only possibility is glaciers. The only thing that's even remotely close to strong enough in nature to move a boulder of that size is going to be glaciers. So the glaciers pick these things up. I mean, look at the size of that. And then when they're done with them, dump them off. That's it. Big random rock. This is really like the basic definition. So depositional or erosional, I'm going to say it's depositional. It was dropped there. What does it look like? Large random rock. You can find them anywhere post-glacial, anywhere. You'll find some locally. If anybody finds one, shoot me a picture. And the key thing is generally that it does not match local geology. So the way you're going to get there is through glaciers. All right, I'll look up a hanging waterfall real quick. I'll do that as our last video. It'll be an easy one. See you in a minute.